Hi everyone, Judy here, your Maestra. I'm gonna teach you today how to say how much is this? How much is this in Bisaya? Let's start. How much is this? Tag pila ni. Tag pila ni. How much is this? Tag pila is how much. Okay? Ni is kini, means this. Tag pila ni. Tag pila ni. How much is this?
Repeat after me. Tag, pi, la, ni. Tag, pi, la, ni.
Okay? Now it's your turn to try, guys. Okay, see, you can do it, guys. You can do it. Very easy and useful again. So that's all for today. I'll see you next Friday. Visit me www.cebuano101.com to access all the rest of the lessons. Okay, you may need to subscribe to the members access plan to watch all my short video lessons and to access the rest of the lessons as well. Okay, I'll see you next Friday. Bye.